top, what are the best proactive processes for understanding what new integrations or new use cases customers would derive the most value from?
Yeah, I guess one of the first things I'd be looking into is, as a baseline, having a strong understanding of how your product's currently being used as a standalone product. So working with obviously user research teams and product marketing, customer experience and sales and partner teams, just to make sure we have that strong understanding of our product on its own. And then after that, I'd also be trying to build an understanding of your customer's ecosystem or the portfolio of products that your customers are using. So, and from there, really understanding how your product is going to fit into that portfolio. Because from there, we sort of start to see potential interdependencies between your product and other products that are being used by your customers. Sometimes I found when you do this, you can kind of find quite clear areas where customers might already be connecting the two products, but they're just doing it in a sort of manual workaround kind of way. For example, something like an HR import of users from one system to another through a spreadsheet that's been exported and imported, or manually inputting a timesheet from a time tracking tool into your accounting product. So those things I'd be researching and investigating first to understand the opportunities that lie with your existing customers, along with some competitor research. But I'd also go beyond just the existing products that your customers are using and look into what other products are working towards a goal that might be aligned or somewhat aligned to your goal, and seeing which markets or customer segments that you might share with some of these other platforms, other products, and can potentially create a partnership with. And I've found in the past that sometimes that can mean looking at people who might off the face of it be your competitors, but in an ecosystem world, your competitors can sometimes become a key part of your ecosystem or a type of ally in a way. I guess, for example, if you look at Xero and Asana as standalone products, the initial perception might be that in some areas they're in real competition with each other. But obviously they've learned that they need to integrate and create touch points between parts of their product to be able to leverage each other. So I think that aspect of it is what makes researching for integrations really interesting from that ecosystem and network perspective.